Welcome to another hair hack video. Take your hair, divide it into two parts, tie both the parts in the form of a ponytail and then tie it in the form of a ponytail, inserting it through the gaps of the upper and the lower part. Tie the below part with the help of a rubber band. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, then divide that ponytail into two equal halves, rotating it around the upper part, making it in the form of plaits, tying all of them together and tying the lower part again in the form of ponytail. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a two-half ponytail. One part is made in the form of plaits, the other in the form of layers of ponytail. Lower part is made in the form of plaits. Take your hair, divide it into three layers, tie it in the form of a plait and then tie the lower part again with the help of a ponytail. Make a ponytail. Then insert a pencil through your hair and with the help of that pencil roll your hair around those pencils. Then take your hair and tie it again in the form of plaits just like this. Keep inserting your hair through those pencil parts so that you get updated. Now take out the pencil and you're done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of two ponytails in the form of layers. Divide the hair from the back side into four parts. Tie both the parts in the form of ponytail. Crisscross it, tie it again and then attach all the ponytails together. Take your hair, tie it in the form of two plaits and then secure it. First, take your hair, divide it into three parts. The first part is taken, the second is small and the third is small. The third is divided into two parts. The first part is made in the form of plaits and the second part is also attached with the first part. Now take your hair and divide it into four parts from above. Tie both the parts in the form of plaits and then roll the plaits upwards, securing it properly. Take your hair and first tie it in the form of a plaited part. Now when you are done making the plaits, tie the lower part of the hair again with the help of a plait. When you are done tying the plaits, tie it again in the form of a plaits and then make it through the gap of the upper part, tying the lower part again with the help of a rubber band. Take your hair, divide it into two parts and start making plaits out of them. When you are done making the plaits, tie it again in the form of a rubber band. The plait should be very consistent so that it gives you a cleaner look. Take your hair, divide it into two parts first. The first part is started making the plaits and the other part is left so that it is just attached with the other two parts of the plaited parts. When you are done making the plaits, roll it upwards and then twist it. Thank you for watching.